To study the indirect effect in the fog, aerosol indirect effect. The modification of existing fog chamber facility to better simulate the atmospheric conditions, to study the droplet growth and resident time of droplets in the fog chamber, and to study the particle size distribution, CCN concentration, and droplet size distribution for different cases in fog chamber. This is a site where observation study was carried out. The observations were carried out at the terrace of Western Laboratories, which is located at the height of 136 meter above mean sea level. And situated at 26 degree 30 minutes north latitude and at 80 degree 13 minutes east longitude. The instrument which were used for measurement of various parameters. Maggie Scientific's accelerometer was used for the measurement of black carbon concentration, and the droplet measurement technologies cloud condensation nuclei counter was used for the measurement of cloud condensation nuclei concentration. And the ambient meteorological parameters like temperature and relative humidity was obtained from the automatic weather station, which is located at IIT Kanpur. And in addition, we measured the temperature and RH on site at the frequency of 15 minutes using the Vaisala's temperature and RH sensor.
I use 0.5% super saturation ratio versus any particular reason. Go back to you mentioned that the DMT CCM was ran at 0.5% super saturation. Any particular reason for that?
So many people are in literature, many people have suggested to use at 0.5% super saturation, and in atmosphere also the super saturation prevails nearer to 0.5%.
But it varies, right? It varies from 0.1 to 0.5, 0.6. So any particular reason, or you just took one hard to do it?
The vertical profile of temperature was obtained from the soundings data from Lucknow, which is located around 75 km from sampling site. Measurement of fog microphysical parameters like the droplet size distribution, droplet number concentration. The droplet measurement technologies cloud droplet probe was used to measure the droplet size distribution of the fog. This instrument measures the droplet size distribution from 3 micrometer to 50 micrometer in 30 different size beams. It can measure the concentration from 0 up to 10,000 numbers per centimeter cube. And the sampling frequency, we can vary the sampling frequency from 0.1 second to up to 10 seconds. But manufacturers suggested to use it at 1 second frequency. This instrument runs on the principle that the amount of light scattered by a particle is proportional to its size. This figure shows